Here is how we can rename Notes folder on the iPhone. So you open up the Notes app and you want to come back to the left panel so you can reveal all of the different folders. And in there, if you want to rename it, you can hold it down on it like that, and you're going to get the preview shown in the window. And below we have some actions. One of them is the rename. So as you can see, we have the rename, which I can click on and change the name from the folder, which it is now, to folder notes or whatever, right? It's just, this is how you can change it. And this of course applies to the iCloud notes as well as the local notes folder. Just keep in mind that the first two folders are not editable. So for the first one, it says all iCloud, and the second one says notes, and the first one in the local says on my iPhone, all on my iPhone, and notes, right? And those are the default categories which you cannot really edit or rename. So we cannot really rename the notes, right? It's just notes. But any other folder, or you can tap on the plus button and create a new folder, those can have any names you want. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to also rename and manage your folders in the Notes app. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.